My professor know everything. Yeah, my professor know everything. Probably. I have a story. So there is no one time when I told you guys that I've been in idol group before. I've been in an idol group before, and I didn't told anyone. I didn't tell anyone, and it was like I go to my professor room, and there's a bunch of professor in there, and I just come, and then one of my professor asking, "Hey, aren't you joining this idol group?" And I was just like, wait, kinda, kinda. No, he's not talking about the newest me. It was when I was on the third semester. No, second. Yeah, it is my second semester. On my second semester, I'm not in Hololive yet. So I joined some idol group kinda thingy because I love singing, and I also perform in so many places before. I don't know, probably he saw me in some event. Oh, for the model, it's not a secret in the entire school, because I always get called to being a model by my friends, because my friend is a fashion designer and they need a model, and they always asking me to be one. Actually, there's like one time I was still on my idol group before I joined Hololive. I have manager in there also. I saw the audition. I said to one of my manager, I saw like an auditions of VTuber or something. I don't know what it is, and I want to try it. And then I don't know, my manager said that, are you sure about that? Because we can make it for you if you really want that. Yeah, I kind of already doing an auditions with that. And after that, after I've already live time by time, suddenly I don't know what happens in my idol group at that time, suddenly missing, because of pandemic, like everyone just like busy in their self, and I just got ghosting. I asking, okay, so when we're gonna train or something? My idol group in the past got blipped by Thanos or something. It's suddenly gone. Poof, like that.